Hi, my name is Chris. I'm gixrman on DSM Lincoln Tuners, and we're going to be installing the 1GA bumper kit. As of right now, we have the side brackets or front brackets on, side brackets are on, and as you'll see, the side light, marker light, is already installed. No need to remove that. So what you'll need to do then is just take your front bumper cover, slide it on, up over the brackets. That side's on. Come around. That side's on. You're going to take your flathead screwdriver or a Zeus tool if you have one. You're going to take it, quarter turn, take it, quarter turn. And you're going to grab your supplied bracket covers, which I made. That's going to allow you to line up and put these in. And you just got to get the holes to line up. There we go. That's why. Sometimes it's a little tight.
It might not have been pushed over.
Yeah. But anyway. There you go. Front bumper cover is on. At least that side. Do the same to the other side. And then that's it. There's your 1GA bumper cover.
Tell them about leaving those loose and all that.
Yeah, when you're installing it, I put some play.
Here, let's